Edcast Oracy Podcast Audio Pack. The Edcast Oracy Podcast Audio Pack is an all-in-one kit designed to enhance Oracy learning, literacy, and communication skills across the curriculum in schools. Developed for education, it promotes oral expression, creativity, cooperation, and critical thinking. It has a built-in audio recorder for high sensitivity, condenser microphones, 5 headphones, and a speaker. It is easy to use both inside and outside the classroom or in STEM workshops. It can be used alone with or without a computer or an internet connection. Key features include a complete and portable kit with a rechargeable battery that is ideal for indoor and outdoor learning. Simple and easy to use, the all-in-one kit has a built-in recorder with a 16 gigabit TF card. Used with STEM framework projects, it combines Oracy learning and improved critical thinking in science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. Inclusive and collaborative features encourages participation from all students, including those with learning difficulties, SEND and EAL, or non-native speakers. The Edcast Education Kit enhances information literacy, responsible expression, critical thinking, and teamwork. A feature-rich and easy-to-use solution to meet the needs of Oracy learning. Several of these low-cost kits can be used by multiple groups of 5 students at a time in one classroom involving all the students in the class. The Edcast kits are backed up with online videos and one-to-one support package for teachers and students to resolve any technical issues, user guides with Oracy lesson integration, planning and techniques, etc. You can also use one of our 4K camera and other accessories to create video-based recordings to show your students and others as a convenient teaching tool to demonstrate how learning has progressed and to help others with the techniques used to enhance their learning skills.